Most people lose money daily without realizing it, and this silent habit destroys long-term wealth. They think they are saving, but small daily decisions quietly drain their financial future. But here's the truth. Money success is not luck. It follows clear, repeatable rules. If you follow these 5 simple steps, your money starts working for you automatically. Step 1 is simple but powerful. Control your expenses before trying to earn more. Most people chase income but ignore spending, and that is where they lose everything. Winning starts when you track every rupee, because awareness creates financial control instantly. And this one habit alone separates people who struggle from those who build real wealth. Step 2 is powerful. Always pay yourself first before paying any bill or expense. Most people spend first and save later, but later never comes for them. Flip the order and everything changes. Saving becomes automatic and stress disappears over time. Even 10% saved consistently can build serious wealth when given enough time. Step 3 is about growth. You must invest your money or inflation will destroy it slowly. Money sitting idle loses value every year, even if the number looks the same. But invested money grows quietly in the background, turning time into your biggest advantage. This is how rich people think. They let money work while they focus on bigger opportunities. Step 4 is critical. Avoid bad debt because it silently destroys your financial progress. Bad debt takes money from your future and gives you temporary comfort today. Things like credit card debt and unnecessary loans slowly trap you in a financial cycle. Good debt is different. It helps you grow income or build assets over time. Wait, if you are still making this one mistake, everything you learned so far will fail. Smart people use debt carefully to create value, not to impress others with spending. If debt does not increase your income, it is likely slowing your financial growth. Step 5 is the most powerful. Build multiple income streams to reduce financial risk. Relying on one income source is risky, because one problem can stop everything instantly. Multiple income streams create stability, so even if one fails, others continue supporting you. This is how wealthy people protect themselves. They never depend on only one source. Now combine these 5 steps, and you create a complete system for winning with money. Control spending, save first, invest smart, avoid bad debt, and build multiple income streams. Most people know these ideas but never apply them, and that is why they stay stuck. Knowledge alone does nothing. Only action creates results and real financial change. Start small today. Even one change in your habits can begin your financial transformation. Because money success is not about speed, it is about consistency over long periods. In the next few seconds, you will understand why most people never escape the money trap. Every small financial decision you make today is shaping your future, whether you notice it or not. If you ignore money habits, problems grow silently until they become too big to handle. But if you stay aware and disciplined, your financial life becomes stable and predictable. This is the moment where most people quit, but this is exactly where winners continue. Because real wealth is built slowly, not through shortcuts, luck, or sudden success stories. It comes from simple habits repeated daily, again and again, without stopping or losing focus. You do not need to be rich to start, you just need to start to become rich. And once you start, momentum builds, making every next step easier and more powerful. Now imagine your life if your money grows every month without constant stress or worry. Bills get paid easily, savings grow automatically, and your confidence becomes stronger every day. This is not a dream, it is the natural result of following simple money rules consistently. But most people ignore these basics because they are too simple and not exciting enough. They chase complex strategies, but complexity often hides mistakes and increases risk dramatically. Simple systems win because they are easy to follow, repeat, and improve over time. The question is simple. Are you someone who understands money or someone who controls it? When your system is strong, even small efforts produce big results over long periods. And that is how ordinary people quietly become financially strong without showing off. Now it comes down to one decision. Will you apply this or keep watching without change? Because information without action is just entertainment, and entertainment will not change your life. Action is what separates winners from watchers, and it always starts with one small step. You do not need perfect knowledge, you need consistent action and the courage to begin today. Pick one step right now: control spending, save first, or start learning about investing. Even a small change today will create a big difference in your life after 1 year. And in 5 years, the results can completely change your financial position and lifestyle. The choice is simple: stay where you are or move toward a better financial future starting now. Remember, money is a tool, and when used correctly, it gives you freedom and control. But when used wrongly, it creates stress, pressure, and a life full of financial struggles. The difference between these two outcomes is not luck, it is daily decisions and habits. So start today, take control, and begin building a future where money works for you. You now have the knowledge, but your future depends on what you choose to do next. If this helped you understand money better, take a moment to like and share this video. And subscribe to the channel for more simple strategies that help you grow and protect money. Your journey to financial success starts now, and the best time to act is always today.